What is up, J Bastard 14? So today it's good. We had 85-degree weather, no rain for 2 days. Dang, creaky slow, but yeah, we try to get out here on some bass. I just got a jig head rig up with a crawl. Then I have my spinner set up with a nice little jig on there. We can try to get some beds, some tilapia off bed. Let's see if we can get on some fish. I got the chesty, and I'll get what y'all want to get back on the chesty. Bro, that is one big bird. Like, the wingspread on that bird is just like, it's crazy. But yeah, we're starting off with a weightless fluke. I'll switch over from that jig. It's not how I thought it was gonna be. That water's gonna be up. But it's gonna be in there. There's a lot of rocks. That wasn't the case. So yeah, switch over to weightless green pumpkin, black fate, fluke 3-aught hook. You guys should know my setup now. 7.3 heavy, fast tip, bruised carbon fiber, 50-pound test, and the nigga went EC 150, 7.3 to 1.7. The old faithful. But yeah, tilapia's on the bed. Try to pick some tilapias off. I got my spinner set up. I white little jig, my 3/16 ounce. 1/4? Nah, this ain't a 1/4 second. But I really don't know my leg weight things. Like, if they don't have it on there, I won't know. Attention right there. This water is fairly clear. It's clearer than just not paying attention now. It's dropping right. But it just feels stiff for some reason. Should be bad. But that bird is so big. What is he doing? Is he a filter bird or he going in that grass or something? I have no idea. Point I'm so lost. That bird is gigantic. See? No idea. This water is shallow. Oh my God, I got thumb. Yeah, it's a little bass right there. You get it, though. I got absolutely dorked the fire. I don't think he can hit again, though. He might hit this little jig, though. Nope, not even a follow out. That's crazy. We get our fish along that stretch so we came down here. Spooked the tilapia that was on the bed. Rookie mistake. But I know some more spots where they will. Let me try to get them. Caught a nice little bass off camera. Right over there. I always think I'm recording. I have to start paying attention, but yeah. Nice little bass. Hit the Cinco. Yeah, I just put the pickle as opposed to tilapia. I don't know. Yeah, I think right here. I'm gonna get this area. That's a deep pool right there. And grass. Tend to sit right here. Good.
You catch some?
Yeah, I just caught one right back there.
Heck yeah, man. Awesome. Yeah, we can play this. We actually played right there between the posts. Alright. It's not a...
Right there. Shit in the bad shit right there. We need to move further. Excuse me. Fish. Probably can see it right there. When that tree is a tilapia. The tilapia is sitting right here. When we finally get back on that bed, I don't know how we missed the skips right there. We put that jig right there, but we try to make it work. For now, fishing the Cinco. Trying to get it fit. Yeah, I got a bass. Oh my god, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, that's nice. But as soon as I cast it right over there, he had to be sitting in the shallows. Ooh, that single came over. Nice. About a pound bass. Actually need to crush that Cinco. Yeah. He crushed that Cinco.
You get my guy?
Largemouth bass?
Yeah?
Yeah, on a Cinco.
That's exactly what I got on.
Yeah. I just lost a giant, like, right here.
Really?
Yeah.
What color are you using?
Green pumpkin. Most times I use black and blue, but since the, like, I think the tide going out, it get clear. So I switched over to the green pumpkin.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta take this back.
Oh, that's a Lunkers TV rod?
It is?
Yeah.
The Defender?
Yeah, the Defender from Favorite.
Yeah. Got a Shimano SLX DC on here as well.
Yeah. I like those digital chips reels. But I like the Shimano Corrado DC and Metanium.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like those, but I never got a chance to get one, but I plan on getting one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, that's what's up. That's cool, man.
Yeah. But they hit the Cincos. That's mostly why I catch them on the Cincos and the flute. The back, they pressured in here, like they real pressure. They hit jigs and stuff, but barely.
In here?
Yeah, here.
Pressure?
Yeah, they real pressure. Like
Really?
they don't bite stuff that you think traditional bass fishing stuff. They won't hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like when it rains, they hit topwater frogs and buzz baits and prop baits.
Okay.
But most times you got to throw like that's why I got my spinning rod. Is throw the finesse gear, I guess you could say. Yeah.
I got that. I can understand that. I knew there were big fish in here.
Yeah.
I see all the signs. I don't ever see anybody fishing down here. So.
Yeah, I've been fishing this creek for like 5 years. I know it runs from the St. John's. I fished it all the way out to the mouth. I caught reds out of here.
Really?
Yeah, on spinner baits. I caught red drums out of here.
That's crazy.
But yeah, if you have Instagram, you just check out my Instagram. Like most of the fish that's in here on my Instagram will come out of here. J Bassin 14.
J Bassin 14.
Yeah, no spaces. JAYBASSIN 14. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Couldn't get on no bass, unfortunately. I sound so slow. We got on some bass, but I thought we was gonna hook on them on both ends. Couldn't manage to get on those, but we got 2 on the Cincos. That was just good. We lost the giant because of the rod. We couldn't get no tilapia that was on bed. I mean, we tried to sneak up on them, but the tilapia there are real smart. But maybe we might come out tomorrow. It all depends on how the weather is and how I'm feeling. And we will try to get out here and get on some bass. But comment down below, video tips, suggestions, anything. And it's J Bass, and get with you boys later.